How to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, open up the Trust Wallet application and just make sure to log into your respective account. After you do that, you will see this type of interface where what you have to do is to simply tap on the buy option here. Now, depending upon which one you want to buy, since you want to buy Bitcoin, you can search for it, or you can tap on the Bitcoin if it is recommended. Enter the amount of dollars Bitcoin that you want to buy. So if I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, I'll get 0.0014 amount of Bitcoin here. Then I can just tap on the buy with credit card, or I can simply choose all of the other options to buy Bitcoin. This way I'll be able to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.